Hey, this is Max, and I just want to say I just started this journey into meditation not that long ago. I'm a level 1, and already in the short term, I've seen so much improvement in terms of anxiety, depression, and sleep. Everything has improved. So I just want to encourage everyone to keep pushing forward, no matter what level you're on. This method has changed my life so far, and I know it's going to change all of yours if you keep to it.
I would say that the one thing that, or many things that brought me to this meditation was I was very depressed, anxious. Honestly, I was suicidal. I didn't want to live anymore. I was just in a dark spot in my life. I was hopeless. I would say that ever since I started this meditation, I am laughing more. I feel more hopeful, more excited for life. I am finally seeing like I am worthy. I am smart. I have so many great qualities that I just didn't realize that I had, and they're all there inside of me. They were just covered up with, with my mind and all the karma and life experiences that I had that negatively impacted me. And I'm just excited to see what else this meditation can help me uncover about myself. And yeah, so thank you.
I feel glorious, glorious. Got a chance to start again. I was born for this, born for this. It's who I am. How could I forget? I made it through the darkest part of the night, and now I see the sunrise. Now I feel glorious, glorious. I feel glorious, glorious.
I'm feeling glorious.
2024 ended up being one of the hardest years of my life on so many levels. Like, it really came in handy having the meditation to deal with all of those things. I part owned a business with someone else, and we actually ended up closing it. The meditation didn't have this in my toolkit, it would have been like catastrophic. Your true self is like a priceless treasure, and like I think through this, getting rid of all this stuff, I'm finding that, and I wouldn't have imagined being where I'm at now and being like happy.
I feel glorious, glorious. Got a chance to start again. I was born for this, born for this. It's who I am. How could I forget? I made it through the darkest part of the night, and now I see the sunrise. Now I feel glorious, glorious. I feel glorious, glorious. We gon' be alright with that.
Seems that when I meet people, I'm like sort of open and I'm not judging, and there's just a peacefulness and a lack of stress. And I'm so much appreciative of being able to enjoy people.
Fast forward to now, and I don't ruminate on the same negative thoughts like I used to. The underlying level of peace and acceptance that I have now is something I've never experienced before, and I'm so grateful.
Glorious, glorious. Got a chance to start again. I was born for this, born for this. It's who I am. How could I forget? I made it through the darkest part of the night, and now I see the sunrise. Now I feel glorious, glorious. I feel glorious, glorious.
From the first session, I felt some relief. I felt real relief, and much more hopeful that I was going to be okay. It hasn't been a straight trajectory up. I have hit some really low lows, but I trusted the process and I stuck with it, and I am doing much, much better. And I think the biggest difference for me was I did not understand the coexistence poem at all when I first came here. And now I really understand that that's what it means to live a rich and happy life, is to be connected to people. And when I was in that low place, I felt very alone and very antisocial, and it truly felt like hell. And the opposite is also true. When I feel connected and among people I love and care about, I feel like I'm in heaven. So
Beautiful.
and it's taken me 2 years and I'm still in level 2, but I don't care. I'm here for life, so however long it takes, I'm just really, really thankful for the experience.